Right now, the new year deals are going on at Hostinger. So I'm here with special exclusive new year deal plus additional coupon codes through which you can save maximum amount of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on an exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing Hostinger deal running right now. So if you directly want to move on to the plan, you can simply click this button and you can see your 30 days money back guarantee is also being loaded. This is by default for all of the plans at Hostinger. So if you click on this, you will be landed over here. Make sure to click on a link in the description for an exclusive discount page. Now you can save as much as up to 95% if you have clicked on the link in the description. So over here you can see these are the three popular plans. You can save up to 95% on the premium plan, up to 94% on business plan, and up to 85% on cloud startup. Because with my 10% additional discount on already running discount deal is going to make it your discount even more better. So this is exclusively for my audience, so I recommend you to click on the link in the description to avail this amazing discount. But before you offer any plan, I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features and functions before you buy anyone. So for instance, you can create up to 3 websites, create up to 50 websites. If you ask me which is my personal preference, I recommend the business plan. This is a very good, and I'm using it personally on my own blog as well, and my experience so far is very good. I started with the premium, but right now I'm using premium, and this is a business plan, and this is a very good plan. So I recommend this plan. So make sure to click on the link in the description and now click on the choose plan if you want to avail this, but you can opt for other plans as well because you're going to get as much as up to 95% on any of the plan. So this is exclusively again for my audience, so which is why I'm recommending you to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I'm going to say. So now coming over here, look around in the billing periods. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Because these are special exclusive one-time prices for my audience, so I recommend you to take the maximum advantage of it by opting for 48 months because these prices won't appear again. And you are also getting a free domain plus 3 extra months free. So free domain is valid for the first year, so you can grab your free domain by writing it over here or later on through your H panel, Hostinger control panel known as H panel. So let's say I'm going to get a free domain. I'm going to just giving you an example. Choose your domain wisely as well. The free domain is valid for the first year. So let's say I'm going with this domain. So I selected my domain now, domain name. Now I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional on this. And I can see my order summary over here. You can see my order summary over here. I'm getting 48 months free, daily backup, 3 extra months free, and I'm also getting free domain name, no icon fees, and plus I'm going to select I have a coupon code. Click on this and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So simply click on the apply over here and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount, making it up to 95%. See, 84% plus 3 extra months free, daily backup, free domain, and additional 10%. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. This is also mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discount link. So once you click on the apply over here, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. So this is going to be your one of the best 2026 deals, so avail it right now while it lasts. So you can see 30 days money back guarantees over here. So simply click on the continue and move on to the last part to finally grab your hosting with a special coupon code discount. So you can see your billing details. Simply write all of your details and click on the continue over here and move on to the payment method. Hosting will offer you a variety of payment methods. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate, crypto payments. You guys have a variety of payments. But before you pay or click on the submit payment, I recommend you to see your order summary over here. Everything is fine as per your desire. And then let's say we're going to credit card, simply write your credit card details and simply click on the submit payment. And within few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting account details. So yeah, just for a revision, this is the best time of the year to grab the special deal right now from Hostinger because right now the special deals are running right now. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have told you to get in as much as up to 95% off when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.